Hi guys, so today I'm eating my dinner. And my dinner is this thing. This is called, I forgot what it's called, but I do not know what it's called. It's yummy. Good. Nice lang. Guys, masuporta po kayo kay Mother Earth TV Labab. Kasi po, siya po yung nabigay sa akin ng mga inspirasyon ng mga YouTube ideas nito. Sabi niya po, 2 shorts, 1 long video. It's gonna be a long video. The short video is gonna be later. I think it's gonna be at what time is it? It is 8:15. I'm gonna post at 9. 2 shorts. Maybe yun isa. First time for that short, I have iPad, so it's easy to post. So that's it for it. And I'm gonna wait for Mother Earth to live. And I'm gonna say that I'm uploading the things I said. And just don't be cringe because I said I'm cringe. Okay, no, I didn't say I'm cringe, but I said correct lang. So sabi nga guys, ang inspiration na gagawin ko daw, kailangan ko daw mag-create ng ng homework ko. And start ko na po yung homework ko. Kasi po yung light na ginagamit ko, hindi po gawin sa cellphone ko. Dito po siya galing. Cellphone na ito. Ano po ay dito siya galing. Lagayan ko. Yan. Yan po. So, I just wanna say thank you for 108 because I got 128 and other people. I'm just going to your channel. And guys, also show support to this one channel. Sorry. Wait lang guys. Pakita ko po isang upang channel para masupportan niyo rin po. Mayroon na. Isa. Yes. So support to that. I'm gonna pin it in the pin comment. So it's like 574 subscribers. There it goes. Oops. And there. So guys, subscribe to this channel and to this channel Queen. Big A Queen. So, haba? It's also possible to Mama Fan and and Mama Bang TV and Tita Labs sa mga pangalan niya. Ayun lang po yung support niya. At saka kay Mother Earth. So support to the people. Just search them in YouTube. Mama Bang TV, Labs, Mother Earth, and Mama Fan, and Rams Motovlog. That's all. Bye bye. Peace.